Hello children, welcome to your offline video class. Today we are about to start a new chapter, and as you see the name, it is called as temperate grasslands. Okay, so grasslands, it is very much understandable from this picture itself, the background itself, that what is the meaning of grasslands. Okay, so grassland means the land which has just grasses everywhere you see. So everywhere you are seeing in this picture, just grasses. Okay, so that's why these lands are called as grasslands. All right, now in this chapter, we will see that where are these grasslands located. Okay, so now you have to understand this chapter very, very carefully, because these temperate grasslands are little different from what grass you see around your place. Okay, temperate grasslands are very long grasses. Okay, which are actually not found in India. So let's see where these are found. So here you see all the yellow colors in the world map. All the yellow colors are temperate grassland. So you see, in India, we don't have temperate grassland except in the western side. Okay. And where are these grasslands located in the world? You see, in the northern hemisphere. That is, again and again I tell that there is equator, this red line here, which is dividing our earth into two hemispheres. And this is the northern hemisphere, the upper portion, the north portion. So in northern hemisphere, these temperate grasslands are located in Asia, then Europe, then Northern America, Northern Africa. So almost in all the continents, you find this one here. In Asia, we have temperate grasslands. In Europe also, you see, these portions are under Europe. Okay, so Europe also temperate grasslands are there. In North America also, some parts of North America. Then Northern Africa also temperate grasslands are there. And in South, that is in the Southern Hemisphere, they are located mostly in Southern America, then Australia, okay, some parts of Australia, then New Zealand. Now this country here, right below Australia, do I need to change my ink? Wait. Here, do you see this island continent here? This island country, I'm sorry, I said continent. This is a country. This country is New Zealand. In New Zealand also, we find temperate grasslands. And where else? South Africa. So you see, most of the temperate grassland areas are in Africa, in the north as well, in south as well. Okay, so from this few names or from the few continents you see here, in all the continents, temperate grasslands are there, except one continent. So you have to tell me which continent in the next class. Okay. Next, the climate. So climate, again, every time we are reading about climate. So one important thing, there is climatic differences in the temperate grassland areas. Okay. In the North Hemisphere, that is in this portion. In the North Hemisphere, what is the climate? Let's see here. Okay. The climate is extreme. That is, it is very hot during the hot season or the summer season and very cold during the winter and very little rainfall. So the temperate grassland in the north receives very little rainfall. Okay. Climate is very cold in winter. Okay. And very hot during the summers. This is in the northern zone or in the north hemisphere. But it changes. In the southern hemisphere, these grasslands are mostly located by the sea coast. Okay, and if you remember, we had already read that the places near the sea, they have a very moderate climate, not too hot, not too cold, because of the sea breeze and land breeze. Remember? So in the grasslands in the southern hemisphere, most of these grasslands are nearby sea coast, and therefore the temperature is moderate. That is moderate hot, moderate cold. Okay, not very hot, not very cold. And also sufficient rainfall. That means in this place, the rainfall is very okay, okayish. Okay, not very much rainfall, not very little rainfall. Rainfall is okay. All right, children. So what have we learned today? We have learned about temperate grasslands, which are found in 6 continents. From here, you can tell me which continents are temperate grasslands found in. And there is only one continent where we do not find temperate grasslands. You have to tell me the name. And also we read about the climate of the temperate grassland. So the temperature in the north and in the south, it is different. Okay. So here in north, the climate is very extreme. That is very hot and very cold. And in the south, the temperature is moderate. That is okayish hot, okayish cold, and sufficient rainfall. All right. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope you have understood